We have a very awkward situation that could have been prevented if the trailer or the design was different. Somebody parked the trailer very close. It seemed like he already hit. Did he hit it? The trailer is very close to the concrete block. You look here. When you hook to it, just a little jerk, a little impact, can tell here there is some stuff here, because it came because the trailer is parked very close to the concrete. When you try to hook to the trailer or to disconnect, it hits the concrete and it fractured it. That's why when you hook to a trailer, you should not hook to it before getting out and looking. Everything here doesn't look good. Stupid design. Concrete in the wrong place. And the person who parked the trailer was in a hurry. Or maybe I might be wrong. Maybe somebody else did that. You can tell from the bottom. The lower portion is closer than the upper portion because of the asphalt is not leveled. That is a new fracture or old, I don't know.